If you want total privacy and unlimited artificial intelligence without paying monthly cloud subscriptions, your Mac Mini is the ultimate solution.
In this guide, you will learn how to build a silent, 24/7 headless AI server that runs advanced models locally for just $15 a year in electricity.
Apple Silicon memory is permanently soldered, making hardware selection your most critical choice. While the base M4 with 16 gigabytes is capable, the M4 Pro delivers over 270 gigabytes per second of memory bandwidth.
That is more than double the base model, enabling lightning-fast token generation and smooth multi-user requests.
Let us clear up a common myth. You cannot run a 70 billion model on 24 gigabytes of RAM. A 4-bit 70 billion model requires over 40 gigabytes just for weights and context cache.
For 24 gigabytes, 14 billion models like Qwen 2.5 and DeepSeek R1 are the ideal sweet spot.
For a true 24/7 headless server in your closet or rack, you need 3 essential physical accessories. An inexpensive 4K HDMI dummy plug forces macOS to keep full GPU hardware display acceleration active.
Add a direct Cat6 Ethernet connection for rock-solid stability, and a fast USB 4 NVMe enclosure for affordable model storage.
Out of the box, macOS sleeps when idle. Let us lock it into an unbreakable server. In system settings, enable automatic login, SSH remote login, and wake on network access.
Then run pmset in terminal to disable all sleep states. Enable automatic restart after power loss, and turn off hibernation.
By default, macOS reserves up to 33% of unified memory for system tasks. For large local models, we can safely unlock up to 85% for our GPU using sysctl.
On a 24 gigabyte system, this gives our AI engine nearly 21 gigabytes of dedicated VRAM, automatically applied on every boot via a persistent launch daemon. We run our core AI engine, Ollama, natively on macOS rather than inside Docker to maintain direct Apple Metal GPU acceleration.
After installing with Homebrew, edit the service configuration to bind to all network interfaces, and set Keep Alive to 24 hours so models stay permanently resident in memory.
Now we download our local model fleet using Ollama pull. We grab Qwen 2.5 14 billion for general intelligence, DeepSeek R1 for deep reasoning, and Nomic embed text for documents.
On the M4 Pro, Qwen 14 billion streams answers at over 54 tokens per second with 0 fan noise.
For our user interface and companion services, we deploy via Docker using OrbStack, a lightweight container engine built specifically for Apple Silicon.
In our Docker Compose file, we connect Open WebUI and CRXNG, adding the host gateway flag so the containers can reach our native Llama engine on port 11434.
Navigate to port 3000 in your browser to enter Open WebUI.
The interface delivers full ChatGPT feature parity, including conversation history, custom model personas, dark mode, and a dual model arena mode, where you can compare 2 models answering the exact same prompt in real time.
Turn your Mac Mini into a private research hub with local retrieval, augmented generation.
Drag and drop confidential PDFs, financial statements, or code files to automatically embed and search them via Chrome Ad without leaking data. While our local CRXNG engine provides live web search grounding with clickable source citations.
Finally, access your server from anywhere in the world without opening risky router ports. With Tailscale Serve, we generate an automatic HTTPS certificate.
On your smartphone, open your private URL and tap Add to Home Screen to enjoy your own high-speed private AI assistant in your pocket, wherever you go.